What's good, everybody? It's your boy Prince, and I'm back at it again with another great video for you guys. I'm here living my passion, and I hope you guys are ready for some of that good fashion knowledge, because today we will be talking about what is fashion design. So if you're here because you're interested in fashion design, or maybe you're looking to study fashion design and you wanted to know a bit more about it, then this is definitely the video for you. So let's get straight into it. So firstly, fashion design is an art form, a beautiful art. It is about being creative and innovative and being inspired by so many different things in life, and then fashioning these beautiful and amazing garments. Because in fashion design, your medium of art is fabrics. You take fabrics and you make beautiful clothes, and then you sell them to people. You know, you also need to be able to be a big problem solver, but with a fashion perspective. In class, I get design briefs, and even in the fashion industry, you will get a design brief because you need to be able to design with a certain type of consumer in mind. So you need to be able to be innovative and creative while sticking to certain guidelines. You know, the whole over-the-top designer that's portrayed in movies is so unrealistic, where they take all sorts of fabrics and create all sorts of crazy things. You know, that's just not a realistic way to view fashion design. But when it comes to it, the creativity, the art, you know, being able to create beautiful things is really what drew me into fashion design, really what I love and what is my passion. But there's also a whole other side to fashion design, which is the business side. And so some of you might be here like, but Prince, I came here for some of that good fashion knowledge, man. Why are you telling me about business? Because business is such a big and very important part when it comes to design. Why is that? I knew about the business side to it when actually coming to school, because I have a very big entrepreneurial spirit, but there were things that I really didn't even know about. So when I got to class, I had subjects such as visual merchandising and marketing, and these subjects are just as important as, you know, the actual designing and making of the garments. Because you can be the best designer in the world, but if you cannot market your clothing, do networking, sell your product, do branding, you know, all these important business aspects, then you will not be a successful successful fashion designer. Because at the end of the day, you need to make a product and sell it to people, because this is a business. So an important part that I also think for students is about growth. Knowing who you are and what you specifically want to do in the fashion design business, because there is so many branches of it, so many roles to play in, you know, the fashion design industry, like, you know, fashion illustration, or maybe you want to be doing garment construction or marketing. You need to know what exactly it is that you want to be doing, because it's so important to have these skills and know exactly what you want to do. In school, we actually learned that, you know, the more skills you have, the more you are able to do, the more likely you are to be hired. And maybe you want to be an entrepreneur and start your own fashion business. It's even more important to be able to have all these skills and master them. So guys, that's pretty much all it is from my side, from my perspective. And you know, I'm sure there's still so much more to it, but you know, as we go on this journey together, we will learn, and I will add more on to this video, or maybe make a new video. So I hope I gave you guys some good valuable knowledge, and if you liked this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, come on guys, give this video a thumbs up. So I drop weekly videos. I actually have another great video coming in next week about the basics of fashion design. So please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell, so when I do drop that video, you'll be the first to know. do share this video with anybody that you know that's interested in fashion design, maybe even someone that's thinking about studying fashion design. I know this is a small channel, guys, but that's not important because I'm here to give you guys good, valuable knowledge, share my passion and inspire the passion in all of you. So, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.